This is a 2000 Mitsubishi forklift. The model's an FGC25K. It's a 5,000 pound base lifting capacity. Runs on propane fuel using the common Mitsubishi 4G engine. Has an automatic transmission, forward, neutral, reverse. It's got a backup alarm. Cushion tires, good for use on solid surfaces. Brand new condition. Steer tires are traction tires to give you some extra grip. It's got a 3-stage mast that is 83 inches collapsed, that's just under 7 feet. The forks will lift to a maximum height of 185 inches, that's just over 15 feet. It's got 42-inch long standard forks, a load backrest on the carriage. The mast has tilt function forward and back. Also has side shift function to move the fork carriage side to side. This Mitsubishi forklift's been fully serviced and is ready to work.